Good afternoon. My name is Petite. I am one of the peoples that did the training with the FAO. Since Beryl happened last year, I was doing fishing in the fishing industry on a fishing boat as a crew member. Thing is, someone last year, Beryl really and truly mashed up all the vessels in the fishing industry and damaged a lot of boats and sank a lot of boats. It was a hurtful thing what Beryl did last year. Okay, I really and truly lost my job in the fishing industry, and I had to look for work in on land. Since doing this training session and this course with fish waste, I was really impressed in learning how fish waste is, the business potential that it has to get a business. I'm very glad for it. I'm glad I did the course. I'm also glad I did the food safety handling as well as other training sessions. This course was a great course. I want to thank all the persons itself that I did the course with. Special love goes out to Kelly and her team at Safe Food Essentials. Okay, it is wonderful of itself to learn how fish waste is and what fish waste can do. That we can turn fish waste into a profitable business in the near future, as well as do certain things with fish waste into putting as animal feed, fertilizer, etc. is a great thing. Okay, and in terms of the fishing industry, I just hope that the fishing industry gets back better, but it's not going to get back better in a hurry, because the fishing industry right now at present, the Bridgestone Fishing Complex is getting a little smaller with work is being done at present, but they need to build a brand new fishing complex of itself to include more space for more vessels going forward, even for international vessels to come in and dock in the near future, which it can be done because the space at present in Bridgestone Fisheries Complex can be expanded out to sea with the same rocks that the workers are doing right now at present. Could expand out to sea about 300 to 400 meters approximately, and build a wall of itself, a sea wall of itself, to protect the sea water of itself from coming in and damage the boats in the near future. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Andre.